Good morning, student. In previous lecture, we studied reflection of light. We continue the next chapter, study of sound. In this chapter, sound waves, velocity of sound, reflection of sound, human ear, audible sound, infrasound, and ultrasound. How the sound is formed? Sound is formed due to the vibration. एखाद्या वस्तूमध्ये काय झालं, कंपन झालं तरच काय होतं, साऊंड काय होतो, निर्माण होतो. आता व्हॉट इज अ साऊंड? डिफाईन साऊंड तुम्हाला विचारलं तर सांग नाही. आता साऊंड इज अ फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी. व्हॉट इज साऊंड? साऊंड काय आहे? हे फॉर्म ऑफ एनर्जी विच क्रिएट द सेन्सेशन. मग तो काय करतो? क्रिएट, निर्माण करतो सेन्सेशन, संवेदना ऑफ हिअरिंग इन आवर इयर्स is known as the sound. Sound is in the form of energy which creates sensation hearing in our ears. आता two types of the waves लहरी म्हणजे two types आहेत, एक longitudinal waves आणि transverse waves. आता what is the longitudinal waves? Oscillations are in the direction parallel to the propagation. Oscillations कसे असतील तर पॅरलल असतील to the propagation to waves. Such waves is called the longitudinal waves. आता transverse waves, oscillations are perpendicular to the direction of propagation. The waves are called the transverse waves. जे transverse waves कसे असतात? When you drop थ्रोन इन वॉटर, पाण्यामध्ये दगड टाकल्यानंतर ज्या वेव्स तयार होतात दॅट इज काय होतात? ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह. मग त्या लहरी असतात, अशा लहरी असतात, असे गोल 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 लहरी असतात. मग दॅट इज कॉल्ड द काय असतात? ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह. म्हणजे जी वेव्स परपेंडिक्युलर टू द डायरेक्शन ऑफ प्रपोगेशन वेव्स आर कॉल्ड द ट्रान्सव्हर्स वेव्ह. आता व्हॉट इज वेवलेंथ? Wavelength of sound indicated by the Greek word lambda. Lambda काय? Wavelength, that is denoted wavelength by the called lambda wavelength. Frequency nu, हा v सारखाच आहे पण त्याला काय? फ्रिक्वेन्सी न्यू. Amplitude denoted by capital A and time period denoted by the capital T. These are the symbols. Lambda wavelength, new frequency, A for amplitude and T for the time period. आता what is the time period? Define time period. What is time period? The time taken for the one oscillation. Time taken for one oscillation of pressure in density at a point in a medium is called the time period. म्हणजे विचारलं तुम्हाला एक्झाम मध्ये, what is time period? What is transverse wave? What is a oscillation waves? Then velocity of sound. The velocity of sound is the distance covered by a point on a wave in a time. Distance covered by a point in a wave in a unit time is called the velocity of sound. So what is velocity? Velocity, you know the formula, distance upon time. Distance upon time. The sound waves covers a distance equal to the wavelength lambda in time t. Therefore, v is equal to nu lambda. Nu is equal to 1 upon t. Therefore, velocity is equal to wavelength upon time period. Wavelength denoted by lambda and time period denoted by the period. आता in this, so many definition. What is a longitudinal wave? What is a transverse wave? What is a time period? And what is a velocity of sound? These are the definitions in given this chapter. What is distinguished between transverse wave and longitudinal wave? what is a time period, what is a velocity of sound आणि फॉर्म्युला. मग एक्झाम्पल मध्ये तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल विचारलं, सॉल्व द एक्झाम्पल, use this formula, velocity wavelength upon the time period, wavelength denoted by the lambda and time period denoted by the capital T, cu.